Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
चाणक्य की किससे पहचान है, रावण क्यों महान है? जब ये तमाम सवाल उत्पन्न होते हैं तो इनका जवाब सिर्फ ज्ञान है। तो रेडियो उड़ान पर इस ज्ञान को आगे बढ़ाने की जो मुहिम है वो बरकरार है और नई सेगमेंट में आगाज हुआ है आज फिर एक नई सेगमेंट का क्विज से। और मेरे साथ यूं कि हर बार की तरह रेदर बाला नगेंद्रन है। बाला, वेलकम हियर।
Interrogate your intelligence. Radio Udan's Quiz segment 3 welcomes all of you to the path towards glory. Thanks for joining us on Radio Udan, a flight of life in this grand segment, segment 3, with Bala Nagendran, Danish Mahajan, and the participants from various parts of the country who have filled the form and waited.
जी, और टुडे इट गोना बी वेरी मच थ्रिलर क्योंकि हमने एक्सेप्ट की है लिसनर्स की चॉइस। Listeners have told us some suggestions and we always welcome the suggestions of the listeners. So let me clear to the our participants before that कि आज का जो क्विज है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव वाइज होने वाला है। Here you will get the options. So we would have a great fun. Let's Bala, should we go for the introduction session?
Undoubtedly, yeah. You begin with the first participant who is going to take the seat as participant A, so that we can begin the segment 3.
Okay. So I have got the participant A, Mr. सुखवीर सिंह। सुखवीर जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अपने बारे में हमें बताएं थोड़ा सा।
थैंक यू आप सभी का। और मैं यहाँ पे पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी चंडीगढ़ में पीएचडी का स्टूडेंट हूँ और सोशियोलॉजी में पीएचडी कर रहा हूँ। और स्पेशली श्रोताओं से ये रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर किसी को भी किसी टाइप की यूनिवर्सिटी में मिल चाहिए हो तो मुझे या तो स्काइप आईडी करें या फिर मुझे कॉल कर सकते।
जी बिल्कुल, हम हमेशा आपसे हेल्प लेंगे।
Yeah, now I've got participant B. The participant B, I have to introduce with heartfelt bliss because he has proved his promise. As he has said, I will fill the form again, and he has filled, and he has joined us again. Yeah, you're right. This is the person who has joined in the grand finale first segment. Samir Ladhi sir. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Good evening. Very fine.
अपने बारे में बताइए listeners को.
Yeah. Basically, I am a chartered accountant by education, and I am currently working with Reliance Industries Limited as accounts manager. I live in Mumbai.
Very good, sir. I think you are living in a cold climate as of now to enjoy the quiz.
Yes.
Yeah, that is what. Who is the participant C that we have now?
I have the very person, jolly nature person with me. Participant C, I have Mr. Bilal Ahmed joining you first time in the quiz. बिलाल जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अपने बारे में लिसनर्स को बताएं थोड़ा सा।
कि मेरा नाम बिलाल अहमद है और मैं हिंदुस्तान के दिल मध्य प्रदेश के भी दिल इंदौर से हूँ। मेरी उम्र 21 साल है और मैं फिलहाल में ग्रेजुएशन कर चुका हूँ अपना। मैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ।
You are not giving the introduction, you are giving the profile so anybody could get married with you. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Bilal. Everybody, all the very best. Should we start?
Yes, undoubtedly.
Should I tell the rules?
Yeah.
First round is a very simple round. It's gonna be history round. Here you will get the options. Every question you will get option. तो इस राउंड में नॉन एक्टिव मार्किंग, अगर आपका अगर आप गेस करते हो इस नॉन एक्टिव मार्किंग एट ऑल, तो क्योंकि ये ऑब्जेक्टिव वाइज है तो क्वेश्चन विल नॉट बी पास्ड। इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल?
ओके।
राइट आंसर 10 पॉइंट। सो शुड वी स्टार्ट?
Yes, undoubtedly.
Each round there will be 2 questions per participant.
Yeah.
और पास नहीं होगा तो फिर क्या होगा? क्वेश्चन अगर किसी को आंसर नहीं आ रहा है तो फिर क्या होगा?
अगला क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे ना पार्टिसिपेंट से, वो क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाएगा वहीं पे।
अच्छा, ओके।
No problem, sir. We have 50-50 questions for each round.
ओके 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 ओके
Okay, the first question for Team A, Mr. Sukhveer ji. Here is your question.
Yes.
Who started religious reforms movements in France?
फ्रांस में धर्म सुधारक आंदोलन किसने शुरू किया था?
Options are
जी,
A. Louis XIV, B. Louis XVI, C. John Calvin.
John Calvin. See.
Undoubtedly, unquestionably, you
You're
got your
right.
10 points.
Congratulations Sukhveer ji, 10 points.
Thank you.
Team
Very
B.
first question of this segment 3. Yeah.
Yeah, very first question he replied well and we're happy. Sameer sir, your question on your way.
Yes.
In which year Poland has been divided into two?
किस साल पोलैंड दो भागों में विभाजित हुआ था?
Options are A. 1771, B. 1772, C. 1773.
72.
You are also scored your 10 points, sir.
Congratulations sir.
Thank you.
और मैं एक बात बता दूं कि हर क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 30 सेकंड्स दिए जाएंगे, रादर पॉइंट, सॉरी,
Yeah.
आपको हर क्वेश्चन के लिए 30 सेकंड्स मिलेंगे. बट यू आर वेरी फास्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव वाइज, वेरी
Yeah,
गुड.
that's why we have
Bilal
30
sir,
seconds for each question.
योर क्वेश्चन ऑन योर वे.
Yeah, now all the pressure is on participant C that he has to score this round. Yeah, let's see. The question seems easy. Third question. In which year Fidel Castro has become the president of Cuba?
फिडल कैस्ट्रो किस वर्ष क्यूबा के राष्ट्रपति बने थे?
Options are A. 1961, B. 1962, C. 1964.
It's 1964.
It is unfortunately 1961. As he has taken Americans, Barista's government, he has sworn in 1960. Urrutia sworn in 1961. Fidel Castro has taken the charge. So first
Fidel
president of
Castro.
Cuba and after resolution is Urrutia, then 1961 Fidel Castro. No problem. You have another round, another question. 5 rounds, 4 rounds ahead. No problem.
फिडल कैस्ट्रो मैं बता दूं कि 1961 में ये दूसरे प्रेसिडेंट थे क्यूबा के और 1961 में इन्होंने चार्ज लिया था. अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम ए. सुखवीर सर, योर क्वेश्चन.
From where the city of Lodel is excavated?
लोथल शहर के अवशेष कहाँ मिले थे?
Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh.
B. Gujarat.
राइट आंसर, अनडाउटेडली राइट आंसर.
No
Congratulations.
doubt, no doubt about it.
Congratulations, Sukhveer sir. You're playing well tremendously. Congratulations.
This is 2 balls, 2 sixes like that. Okay, fine.
तो ये सिटी ऑफ लोथल के जो अवशेष पाए गए थे वो गुजरात में पाए गए थे. जी समीर सर.
Yes.
Here is your question. Which deity was not worshipped by the Vedic Aryans?
कौन सी देवी आर्यों द्वारा पूजा नहीं की जाती थी? किस देवी की आर्यों द्वारा पूजा नहीं की जाती थी?
Options are A. Merit, B. Varuna, C. Pashupati.
Can you repeat the options, please?
A. Marut, B. Varna, C. Pashupati.
A.
Unfortunately, it is not. It's Pashupati. Actually, in case of deity, it is not by Vedic calendar. It is later Vedic period where Pashupati has begun to be sworn in.
Oh.
So Pashupati is the right answer.
Yes. Last question of this
Round
round.
for Bilal sir. Yeah.
The first Buddhist Sangiti or conference was held at.
बुद्धिस्ट की जो पहली संगीति थी उसका आयोजन कहाँ किया गया था सबसे पहली?
जी ऑप्शन
Options are A. Vaishali, B. Pataliputra, C. Rajgriha.
राजगृहा, पाटलिपुत्र और
ए
वैशाली. So he's saying Vaishali.
No.
I think
But the
Rajgriha is the
answer
right
is
answer.
Rajgriha. Yeah, Rajgriha is the right answer, as the first Buddhist council has been sworn in 483 BC, as the year considered that when Buddha has died.
So no problem. It was very interesting round because we are giving the options, so the standard of the questions is a bit higher. So hope you all are enjoying.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Okay, the scoreboard of the first round, Bala.
A. 20, he has scored 100 out of 100. B. 10, C. Yet to open the account. No problem, still the tussle is there, 4 rounds. All of them has options. And let's see.
Do debate on every topic and enhance your knowledge.
I am not debasing.
You are debasing my leader. You are debasing my leader. That I won't. That is not the debate. Actually.
If this is a case of debasing, then why she was debased? Because she wanted to meet Narendra Modi, and there are so many problems.
You organize another debate. I only care of my leader.
No, sir. It's not a point of your leader or our leader. The point is about Narendra Modi.
No. He has said against the state.
Listen, the moderator, please. Hey, guys, don't.
You can participate in the debate every Saturday from 10 to 11. For more info, you can log in to www.radioudan.com. Keep listening. Badalta Dao.
Hello.
Hey, what about your exam?
Oh, what can I say? I'm plugged once again. This reasoning section is hurting a lot. I don't know what to do.
I have a good news for you. Hold on and listen to this clip.
2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 21. 5 plus 6 is equal to 55. Then 4 plus 8 is equal to what? What comes once in a year, twice in a week?
जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक बहुत ही मजेदार शो जिसका नाम है मिसेस कंफ्यूजन, जो कि आपके कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट भी करेंगी और उसे सॉल्व भी करेंगी. सो सुनना ना भूलिए मिसेस कंफ्यूजन, अ शो ऑन रीजनिंग, एवरी संडे 10 PM to 11 PM only on Radio Udan.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान, द फ्लाइट ऑफ लाइफ, वर्ल्ड्स नंबर 1 इंटरनेट रेडियो स्टेशन ऑफ इट्स ओन काइंड. सुनते रहिए और एंजॉय कीजिए रेडियो उड़ान.
Radio Udan presents quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
The second round, the rules are the same, and the round gonna be
Polity, yeah.
polity. तो इसमें हम देशों विदेशों के क्वेश्चन, संविधान से रिलेटेड या राजनीति से रिलेटेड सवाल पूछेंगे। तो सुखबीर सर, आपका पहला सवाल।
How many cabinet ministers are there in the 16th Lok Sabha?
16th जो 16वीं लोकसभा में कितने कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर थे?
Options are 23, B 24, C 25.
823.
Oh my goodness.
So goodness means you have again got
Yeah,
your
he
point.
has cracked again, yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sameer sir, your question.
Actually, there will be a confusion. Like 24 people will say, due to the demise of Gopinath Munde, now we have 23. Who is the leader of Indian National Congress in the 16th Lok Sabha?
16वीं लोकसभा में भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के नेता कौन है?
Options are A. Kamalnath, B. Mallikarjuna Kharge, C. Sonia Gandhi.
One clarification, this includes both houses, no?
No, Lok Sabha. Only the 16th Lok Sabha.
Not the Rajya Sabha.
Yeah.
Mallikarjun?
Undoubtedly, sir. Undoubtedly.
So congratulations, you have also got your point.
Bala, one question
Yes.
regarding your Council of Ministers, Cabinet Ministers.
Yeah.
Arun Jaitley has been counted?
Yeah, sir. He has occupied
But
the...
he is from the Rajya Sabha, no?
Yeah, actually, according
But
to the
his cabinet
constitution,
na.
there is no special mention like...
Okay.
so, Rajya
For
Sabha and
the
Lok Sabha... that is up
cabinet
to
minister,
discretion
only
of-
one rule is there. For the cabinet minister, only one rule in there in the constitution. A person who has to be the cabinet minister, whether he should have the membership of the Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, if he has not, he has to take the membership in the
In
6 months.
Yeah.
Within 6
Okay.
months.
So, that is why he is from...
Okay.
Ji, Bilal sir, your question.
Here's the question to participant C. Who has been appointed as the pro tem speaker of Lok Sabha 16?
16वीं लोकसभा के अंतरिम स्पीकर किन्हें चुना गया?
अच्छा, अंतरिम स्पीकर ना?
जी,
हाँ जी। ऑप्शंस?
Yeah. Options are Sumitra Mahajan, B. Mallikarjuna Kharge, C. Kamal Nath.
इट्स सी कमलनाथ।
Yeah.
congratulations.
It's C. Kamal Nath. Participant C. You got 10 points.
थैंक यू।
Okay.
So now
good.
everybody has got the points. The tussle is getting more excited.
Okay.
Sukhbir sir.
The fourth question to Sukhbir ji. The Constitution of India derives its authority from...
तो भारतीय संविधान को जो अथॉरिटी मिली वो कहाँ से मिली?
Options are A. From its articles, B. From the Supreme Court of India, C. From the people.
A. From its article.
From its article, unfortunately, this is the first time your answer has went from the right answer. It is not the right answer. The right answer is from the people. Constitution derives its authority from the people. The articles are the provisions that we have given to the Constitution. That's what preamble says. We the people of India. It derives its authority from the people.
Okay. So Sameer sir, your question.
which is called as the identity card of the Constitution of India?
भारतीय संविधान का आइडेंटिटी कार्ड किसको कहा गया है?
Options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Preamble.
Come again. Fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and
Preamble.
Preamble.
Undoubtedly, sir. I have to change your score from 20 to 30.
जी समीर सर, congratulations. Now you are tied up with some Sukhbir sir as for now.
Thank you. अरे बिलाल जी आएंगे, देखो पीछे से पिंच हिटिंग करते हुए.
ओके बिलाल सर, योर क्वेश्चन. प्रियम्बल से जो भारतीय संविधान का आइडेंटिटी कार्ड माना जाता है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अ बिट प्रियम्बल वाला?
Preamble is nothing but it's an abstract or the face of anything. We can say it's a prologue or preface. In case of Indian Constitution, it says, yes, Samir sir.
Prastavna.
Think of it as a brief précis as to why the Constitution is made.
Yeah, that's where they will mention, like, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist. That's where we are saying India is secular, India is democratic, India is republic. So because of the preamble.
Okay. So final question of the round for Bilal sir.
6. Last question of this round. Which act made a provision for the establishment of Reserve Bank of India?
किस एक्ट ने ऐसा प्रोविजन बनाया था जिससे रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की स्थापना की गई?
Options are A. Reserve Bank of India Act 1935, B. Banking Regulations Act 1949, C. None of this.
It's A.
And I guess that you would answer that, but the answer is none of these. Because it's Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. In 1935, Reserve Bank of India came into establishment.
Yeah. 1935 में स्थापना हुई थी रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की. तो here is the end of this round. It was also very exciting and very informative round. So now let's hear the views for a while to the participants. Then let's move to the third round. सुखबीर सर, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? कोई कैसे आपको सवाल लग रहे हैं? क्या आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक?
नहीं, ठीक है, काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे. और वैसे भी आप लोगों की क्विज जो है काफी एक्सीलेंट होती है. मतलब मैं जैसे क्विज कई ऑनलाइन पे किया था तो बहुत एक्सीलेंट है. ठीक है, ज्यादा टफ नहीं है और ज्यादा इजी भी नहीं कह सकते.
एंजॉय कर रहे हैं आप? जी समीर सर, आप बताइए.
बाला को हमारी जगह बिठा के उससे सवाल पूछने की इच्छा हो रही है.
ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्विज मैं और आप होल्ड करेंगे.
The credit goes to him. Actually, he only given most of the questions this time. You will find all the questions in coming segments.
Then me and Samir sir will host the quiz and Bala will be participant.
Yeah, I love to become a participant of quiz.
Okay, Bilal sir, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हो रहे हैं. एक नॉलेजेबल शो जो है वो चल रहा है. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो आजकल की टाइम में नहीं मिलती, मतलब आजकल नहीं मिलती है, ये एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट लेस शो है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज.
जी धन्यवाद. तो बाला, where is the scoreboard?
Yes, very good score. I love to read the score. 830, B30, C10. So still.
Now, yeah, but now something is gonna happen.
Seven days, 168 hours, 10,080 seconds. The world faces infinite amount of changes. Thunderous, terrorizing, terrible and tantalizing events. Everything will be kept in 60 minutes, only on Radio Udan, World This Week, a war on the globe. Every Sunday 8 to 9 p.m. with Bala Nagendran. Don't forget to tune into Radio Udan to listen to World This Week, a war on the globe.
मोनिका करूंगी आपके लक्ष्य को पाने में आपकी मदद और बनूंगी आपकी सहभागी आपकी सक्सेस में। लाऊंगी आपके लिए जीके से जुड़े अनछुए पहलू और शेयर करेंगे हम ज्ञान को। यस फ्रेंड, मैं आज मोनिका ला रही हूँ आपके लिए ज्ञान से सराबोर एक एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम जिसका नाम है लेट्स एंजॉय 2020 every Monday at 10 to 11 p.m. and repeat broadcast on Tuesday 5 to 6 p.m. only on Radio Udan.
कभी महक की तरह हम गुलों से उड़ते हैं, कभी धुएं की तरह पर्वतों से उड़ते हैं। ये कैचियां हमें उड़ने से खाक रोकेंगी कि हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ते हैं। जी हां दोस्तों, आप भी जुड़ जाइए हमारे साथ अपने ख्वाबों की उड़ान लिए, अपनी कल्पनाओं की उड़ान लिए, अपनी ख्वाहिशात की उड़ान लिए। लॉग ऑन कीजिए www.radioudan.com और चलिए हमारे साथ एक कभी न खत्म होने वाले सफर पर जिसका नाम है रेडियो उड़ान।
Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
Because from third round onwards, the negative marking will take place. If you are giving the right answer, 10 point. If your answer is wrong, then -5 point. If you won't guess, अगर आप guess नहीं करते, nothing will be reduced. You can pass.
So from here, the pass it also begins. So interesting round. People can get bonus points. Capitalize.
Yeah. Bonus point 5 point.
Yeah.
और नेगेटिव भी 5.
पास पे गलत जवाब दिया तो
-5.
Oh.
No exemption at all. Okay, so third, I think it's gonna be the mythology round.
Undoubtedly, yes.
Okay. So
Indian mythology.
Indian mythology, yeah. So Sukhveer sir, your first question.
Yes.
Name the Apsara who cursed Arjun.
उस अप्सरा का नाम बताया जिन्होंने अर्जुन को अभिशाप दिया था जब अर्जुन परलोक गए थे, तो वहां वो उन्होंने उस अप्सरा से संबंध बनाने से मना कर दिया था, तो उस टाइम पर उनको कर्स दिया गया था। ये मैं क्वेश्चन इसलिए बता रहा हूं क्योंकि ये माइथोलॉजी में कई कर्स होते हैं, तो आपको समझ आ जाए। और बाद में उसी कर्स को चेंज कर दिया गया था, थोड़ा सा उसमें से छूट दे दी गई थी। जी।
Are you reading the options? Shall I read?
No, you read.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Options are A. Urvashi, B. Devaki, C. Rohini.
It's A. Urvashi.
Hey.
You are right, sir. Congratulations. Straight away 10 points.
Actually, I must say here that in 3 segments of this quiz, this is the first time one has crossed 40 in the first question of the third round. And the previous record was held by Samix Ji. It was in the third question of the third round. Now it is also here he is also going to get the question. So if he answered this, he will break the same his own records.
तो उर्वशी ने उनको जो अभिशाप दिया था उनको कि उनकी जो पावर है मैन पावर वो मतलब नहीं कहाँ वर्क करेगी, फिर बाद में रिक्वेस्ट की गई थी और उनका 1 साल के लिए कर दिया गया था, जो फिर उन्होंने जो अज्ञातवास का जो 14वां साल था तो उसी रूप में उन्होंने वहां पर व्यतीत किया था.
Second question, participant B.
जी.
How many heads Brahma has?
ब्रह्मा के कितने सिर थे?
Options are A3, B4, C5.
4.
Sir, you have broken the record.
Congratulations, you got your 10 points.
Thank you.
Yes, question for Bilal.
Amba wanted to marry whom?
अम्बा किससे शादी करना चाहती थी?
Options are A. Shalyaraj, B. Balyaraj, C. Karan.
Pass.
First pass.
It's option A, Shalyaraj.
Congratulations, Sukhbir ji.
For your bonus point. Yes.
Oh yeah, bonus point. I have added like 10 points. Okay, fine. Bonus point.
Your own question, Sukhbir ji now.
Who was the wife of Shukracharya?
शुक्राचार्य की पत्नी का नाम बताएं. दैत्य गुरु शुक्राचार्य.
Option A, Jayanti. Option B, Kunti. Option C, none of this.
A, Jayanti.
You're again right, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations. Spectacular playing. You know, you are playing seriously very good.
Fifth question.
Samir sir, the tussle is getting between you and Sukhbir sir. Very interesting. Okay, your question.
Radha married to whom?
राधा की शादी किससे हुई थी?
Options are A. Arjun, B. Abhimanyu, C. None of this.
Radha married whom? Options?
A. Arjun, B. Abhimanyu, C. None of this.
None of this.
Oh, unfortunately, we have to reduce 5 because it's Abhimanyu. Am I right, Danish Mahajata?
Yes, let me explain now. It is a confusion. ये वो अभिमन्यु नहीं है जो अर्जुन के पुत्र हैं. राधा जी का मतलब जस्ट कहने के लिए आप बोल सकते हैं कि उनकी शादी हुई थी अभिमन्यु से. So you can say it's a so-called husband of Radha. So Abhimanyu, we have to reduce your point, minus 5.
Yeah, no problem. Last question. Who is the daughter of Dashratha and Kausalya?
कौशल्या और दशरथ जी की बेटी का नाम बताएं.
Options are A. Shanta, B. Rohini, C. None of this.
Pass.
Strategic plan.
It's C, none of this.
None of this. You attempted.
None of this. C.
Yeah, unfortunately we have to reduce the 5 points from 55 to 50. Now we have turned back to half century. The answer is Shanta. Actually, this is a tricky question that Mahajan Saab has chosen. That we have to choose because this most of the people might
most
have
of
heard.
people do not know because they think only they are 4 brother only.
They have adopted this.
एंड यहाँ पर ये राउंड का भी अंत होता है और मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर दूं तमाम लिसनर्स को कि ये किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को लेकर नहीं लिया गया है, जबकि पिछली बार मोहम्मद सैयद राजा जो मुस्लिम थे उन्होंने इस राउंड पर फतेह हासिल की थी और हमारे ग्रैंड फिनाले के विनर थे। ये सिर्फ इंडियन माइथोलॉजी को से रिलेटेड है और क्योंकि हम सभी लोग माइथोलॉजी से बहुत दूर भाग रहे हैं तो एक छोटा सा प्रयास है कि फिर से लोगों को जोड़ा जाए और बेसिक नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करवाई जाए। ओके, सो बाला इज रेडी विद द स्कोर बोर्ड।
A50, B35, C10. Actually, it's good to Bilal sir because they have come down 5 points a bit so that he can catch soon.
Yeah. So
That's
now
why I don't have taken any kind of risk.
you are intelligent, na? You are playing the safe game. So because 2 rounds are left, so you can crack anywhere.
I will try my level best.
Congratulations. Yeah.
So now
Fourth
fourth
round.
and fifth round, fourth round, sorry, the rules are exactly same. The round is changed. So Bala, what is the round?
Geography. Unique round. First round we are inducting. First segment we have included this
Science and technology.
what we call it? Yeah, no, sports and entertainment.
Yeah, sports and
And second segment we have included that mythology, and we have taken sports and entertainment. We have turned current affairs to yes no. Sorry, science and technology to yes no. Now third segment we are adding geography into it.
So geography is round. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
The rules are same. Okay, Sukhveer sir, your first question.
Which among the following is the hardest place of India?
इनमें से भारत का सबसे गर्म इलाका कौन सा है?
A. Thar Desert in Rajasthan. B. Delhi. C. Gulf of Kutch.
A. Thar Desert of Rajasthan.
I have no words to describe your place, sir. 10 points, 60 you have gone to. Unfortunately, I am giving the scorecard as soon as you scored. I don't know why, because I am excited that you are scoring.
Okay, समीर सर, तार डेजर्ट राजस्थान का
Yes.
सबसे गर्म प्रदेश है इंडिया में. समीर सर, your question.
Second question to participant B. Name the mountain that separates Asia from Europe.
उस पर्वत का नाम बताएं जो एशिया को यूरोप से अलग करता है.
Options are A. Alps, B. Andes, C. Ural Mountain.
C. Ural.
Sir, you are also joining the party in chasing.
So congratulations, you have your point. So you repeat the answer,
Thank you.
Bala.
Ural Mountain. Ural
Ural.
Mountain is the one that separates India and Asia and Europe. How many states are sharing their borders with West Bengal?
कितने प्रदेश पश्चिम बंगाल के साथ अपनी सीमाएं साझी कर रहे हैं?
Options are A. 3, B. 4, C. 5.
It's 5.
You are right. Get your 10 points.
You are also climbing the mountain.
So all are right in first questions. Another question, Sukhveer sir, on your way.
Which is the fifth largest state in India by area?
क्षेत्रफल के हिसाब से भारत की 5वीं सबसे बड़ी स्टेट कौन सी है?
Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Jammu and Kashmir.
C. Jammu and Kashmir.
My goodness.
You're right. Congratulations, you are playing superbly.
I think you are going to break the record if you score 10 more points. Record of the highest scorer in any quiz ever of Radio Udan.
Gee, Samir sir, come on, your question.
Yeah. Name the country that registered highest heat ever.
उस देश का नाम बताए जहां पर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ गर्मी रजिस्टर की गई.
Options are A. Sudan, B. Libya, C. Ethiopia.
Sudan.
Oh.
Libya is the right answer.
Libya
We have to
right
reduce
answer.
your 5 point.
Sudan it was there, but Libya in 1920s has registered the highest heat ever.
Okay, Bilal sir, your question.
According to 2011 census, which state of India registered highest number of disabled?
2011 की जनगणना के अनुसार किस स्टेट में सबसे ज्यादा विकलांग पाए गए?
A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Andhra Pradesh.
It's A. Uttar Pradesh.
You are right. Get your point.
It seems to me that you are questioning me and I have to answer. It's A. Uttar Pradesh. Oh yeah, fine. Is it Uttar Pradesh?
No, I was just answering.
Okay.
My tone was questioning, but I was answering.
Yeah, fine.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
So here is the end of the round, and everybody has played exceptionally well. Let's share the scoreboard and let's move to the final round of the day.
A. 70, B. 40, C. 30. His strategy game works well for C.
Yeah. So he's good in geography.
इफ यू आर अ स्पोर्ट्स लवर, अगर आपको खेलों और खिलाड़ियों का जुनून है तो रेडियो उड़ान लाया है आपके लिए द मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्पोर्ट्स शो ऑन रेडियो, स्पोर्ट्स गैलेक्सी विद स्वाति सक्सेना. Tune on to Radio Udan every Tuesday 10 to 11 p.m. and know all about sports and its events, the famous personalities and much more. अपने पसंदीदा खेल और खिलाड़ियों के बारे में जानिए और गॉसिप का मजा भी उठाइए. Only on Radio Udan, Sports Galaxy with Swati Saxena. 10 to 11 p.m. and rebroadcasted on Wednesday 5 to 6 p.m.
Words, words, words. Let's sing in the ocean of words and explore its origin, meaning, usage, and many other known and unknown facts about it. Let's sail in the world of magical words and travel far with entertainment. To listen, Ocean of Words. Every Wednesday from 10 to 11 p.m. log on www.radioudan.com.
मधुर और चटपटा संगीत सिर्फ रेडियो उड़ान पर. फिल्मी गपशप सिर्फ रेडियो उड़ान पर. खेल और समाचारों की बातें रेडियो उड़ान पर दोस्तों. समसामयिक विषयों पर चर्चा और परिचर्चा और डिबेट के हमारे प्रोग्राम्स, अंताक्षरी से लेकर और न जाने क्या क्या. अरे सिर्फ रेडियो उड़ान पर दोस्तों, और कहां, जी हां, आपका ये नया रेडियो स्टेशन रेडियो उड़ान लेकर आया है आपके लिए कंप्लीट प्रोग्राम बोनेंजा। हमारी वेबसाइट का पता है www.radioudan.com। तो सुनते रहिएगा रेडियो उड़ान, रेडियो उड़ान, रेडियो उड़ान, रेडियो उड़ान।
Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
So fine, now let's the final round of the day. Here a bit round change, rule change rather. The round is current affair. Here mandatory, you have to answer. Right answer 10 point and otherwise -5. We will not pass it, you have to, it's mandatory, you have to answer.
Because we are giving the options as well. That's why this mandatory for current affairs. Usually we haven't given options to current affairs, but this is the first time we are trying as an experiment. Let's see. Fifth round for Radio Udan Quiz segment 3. Interrogate your intelligence. Minds and sub, shall we move?
Yeah, we should move.
Yes.
Sukhveer sir, your question.
As per the latest estimation by PricewaterhouseCoopers, India will become the third largest economy in
PwC के अंदाजे के अनुसार भारत विश्व की तीसरी इकोनॉमी बनेगा कब तक?
Options are 2015, B 2020, C 2030.
B 2020.
Unfortunately, we have to reduce 5 points from that because the answer is 2030. 2020 is the estimation of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Oh,
and unfortunately, we all made his dreams impossible.
ये actually पढ़ा था मैंने.
Yeah, yeah, to 2030, no problem. Yeah.
Next question, Samir sir.
Yes. Name the Bollywood star to whom the France confers the Office of the Legion Honor Award.
Office of Legion Award किस बॉलीवुड स्टार को रिसेंटली दिया गया है फ्रांस द्वारा?
Options are A. Amir Khan, B. Salman Khan, C. Shah Rukh Khan.
मुंबई
शाहरुख खान.
बॉलीवुड के बादशाह हो आप एंड यू हैव राइट, यू हैव क्रैक्ड इट. मुंबई में रहते हो. शाहरुख खान को ये अवार्ड मिला है फ्रांस द्वारा. तो कांग्रेचुलेशन.
थैंक यू.
जी बिलाल सर, योर क्वेश्चन.
Who is the first president of India who joined Twitter?
भारत के उस राष्ट्रपति का नाम बताएं जिन्होंने सबसे पहले ट्विटर को यूज किया.
A. Dr. Abdul Kalam, B. Pratibha Patil, C. Pranab Mukherjee.
It's C. Pranab Mukherjee.
Again you are asking?
No, I am telling.
Okay.
You are right.
You are chasing Samir sir. Yeah, you got your 10 points.
Thank you.
Sukhbir ji, they are closing in you.
जी सुखबीर सर, फाइनल क्वेश्चन फॉर यू ऑफ द डे.
How many vaccines are added into the universal immunization program of India?
UIP द्वारा भारत में कुल कितने वैक्सीन ऐड किए गए हैं?
Options are A3, B4, C5.
It's B4.
What can I say? You got your 10 points. Universal immunization program in which India added 4 vaccines.
जी. So Sukhveer sir, congratulations. And Samir sir, your question.
Yes.
Yes. Expand the terror organization ISIS.
ISIS का विस्तार पूर्वक इसका फुल फॉर्म बताएं.
Options are Islamic State of Iraq and Shia, B. Islamic State of Iraq and Sunni, C. Islamic State of Iraq and Al-Sham.
C. Iraq and Al-Sham.
Fantastic, sir.
Congratulations, Samir sir.
Thank you.
So final question of the day for the Bilal sir. Before that, nothing. You carry on.
Say. You can say anything. Come on. What were you going to say?
I was going to ask the comments. I thought, okay, let's have after.
No. You can.
No, but it will not suit now. It will not
the
suit.
segment.
Yeah. So last question of the first episode of the quiz.
Yes. Last question. Name the international organization who said that there is a Modi effect in Indian economy.
उस इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम बताएं जिन्होंने कहा नरेंद्र मोदी भारतीय इकोनॉमी में नरेंद्र मोदी का प्रभाव पड़ रहा है.
Options are
A.
FICCI, B. IMF, C. WEF, World Economic Forum.
I think so. It's C.
But I think it's A. So let us see what Bala thinks.
FICCI or
What is the right?
FICCI. Yeah, FICCI is the answer.
Okay. So FICCI believes that there is a Modi effect in the Indian economy. Here is the end of the rounds of the first episode. Now, before I come to the scoreboard, let's have your comments. Precious comments are always required. बिलाल सर, आपको कैसा लगा ओवरऑल? कोई सजेशन?
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा और सजेशन के हिसाब से ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. ये शो किसी शो की कॉपी नहीं है, क्योंकि इसलिए मैं कुछ नहीं कह रहा हूँ. ये एक अपने आप में एक अलग शो है, इसलिए काफी अच्छा है और कोई सजेशन नहीं खास. बस ये रहा कि क्वेश्चन जो है थोड़े सिंपल पूछे जाए बालाजी. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग.
ठीक है.
इनको अपने ही क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देने बिठाए ना तो समझ जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने.
समीर सर,
टोटली एग्री.
जी समीर सर, आपके व्यूज?
नहीं, नो कमेंट्स, बट इसमें जो चेंजेस किए हैं रूल्स में वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, क्योंकि अगर वही रूल्स रहेंगे तो एक तरह से बोर होने लगता है.
जी,
एक इंटरेस्ट नहीं बना रहता.
हाँ,
हम राउंड और रूल्स चेंज करते रहते हैं टाइम पे.
गुड.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, we were planning to have that one unique segment. We will talk about it in the future if possible. We are trying on that.
Tell me about that. I'll again fill form for that.
You can fill that.
We were planning to do yes no segment, but some senior member suggested कि उसमें unfair होता है कई बंदों के साथ, क्योंकि हर बंदा yes no का गेस तो करता ही है, तो इसीलिए हमने चेंज करके yes no से इसको ऑब्जेक्टिव वाइज कर दिया.
यस नो में मटका है ना, एक 50% चांस है राइट आने का.
जी.
That's where we are looking at this. At least if we are able to raise that scoring difficulty. So let's see how it goes.
जी सुखवीर सर, आपके विचार ओवरऑल और सजेशन कोई?
जी, शो काफी बढ़िया था और काफी मजा आया खेल के. और मेरा थोड़ा सा सजेशन ये है कि थोड़ा सा ना इसमें एक रीजनिंग वगैरह का क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज़ ये जो जनरल स्टडी।
Can you come closer again, sir? You repeat your.
जी आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
हेलो
जी
now you repeat from the first.
सो मैं एक्चुअली ये सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ, इसमें कुछ ना जर्नल स्टडी के बेस पे रीजनिंग को भी
रीजनिंग कह रहे हैं ये और कि रीजनिंग वी शुड इंक्लूड। सर वो रीजनिंग हम इसलिए इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि मिसेस कंफ्यूजन आता है तो वो उसके
मैडम कंफ्यूजन विल किल अस,
तो हमारा वहां पर पूरा फोकस जो वहीं रहता है रीजनिंग के ऊपर, इसीलिए हम इसमें नहीं ले रहे। जी
चलो ठीक है।
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी। नाउ द स्कोर कार्ड।
A 75, B 60, C 35.
Oh, everybody has got the good marks. Participation is the best reward ever, and everybody says, and you people have participated. Today the winner is Sukhveer sir, and he will join us in the grand finale. Where if you win, you will get the prize as well from Radio Udaan. So now you are in the safer zone. You booked your place in the grand finale, and Sameer sir and Bilal साहब आप आए, अपने टाइम दिया हमें और आपने एक जज्बा दिखाया खेलने का, उसके लिए हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं आपका।
Actually, Sameer sir has equalized his score. In first segment, he has scored 65. Yes. Yeah, I was actually. It's just a matter of two questions, isn't it, sir? It would have been gone beyond 80. And this is the first quiz people have scored more points, 170 total.
Yeah.
Yes. Usually the highest was 100. So,
अरे अभी लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं भैया।
जी ओके थैंक यू सो मच।
Radio Udaan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.